This video will explain how sFLR's value tracks against Flare and what that means for you. The Sceptre pool started with a 1-to-1 exchange rate of sFLR versus Flare. As rewards are added to the pool, the exchange rate changes where one sFLR becomes worth more than one regular flare. If someone unstakes, their sFLR is burned, so the unstake has no effect on the exchange rate, and there is no reason to unstake if you see a big unstaked transaction happen. If someone stakes wrapped Flare or Flare with Sceptre, this does not affect the exchange rate either, as this mints sFLR. The only action affecting the exchange rate is the addition of rewards to the pool. So the price of sFLR versus Flare goes up, but will not go down. We hope this helped clear out any doubts you had about how sFLR tracks against normal Flare. If you still have any questions, let us know in the comments.